Imagine a world where AI doesn't replace us, but actually empowers us. That's the bold vision behind Humans and AMP, a new AI startup that just raised a staggering $480 million in seed funding at a $4.48 billion valuation. Investors include tech giants like NVIDIA, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, and top VC firms like GV and Emerson Collective. Founded by AI veterans from Anthropic, xAI, and Google, Humans and AMP is building AI that helps people collaborate seamlessly, almost like an intelligent messaging app. Their team, drawn from OpenAI, Meta, MIT, and more, is pioneering ways for AI to learn differently, programming chatbots to gather and remember information while enhancing human workflows. The startup's mission is ambitious. They want AI to serve as the connective tissue that strengthens organizations and communities. To do this, they're pushing boundaries in multi-agent learning, long-term memory, and user understanding, blending cutting-edge research with practical products. This isn't just hype. Humans and AMP joins a trend of mega seed rounds in AI, like Thinking Machines Lab's $2 billion raise, or Unconventional AI's $475 million seed, proving investors are betting big on human-centered AI innovation. But as history shows, even massive funding and top talent don't guarantee instant success. Execution matters. If you're as fascinated by the future of AI as I am, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts on human-centric AI. Don't forget to watch the related video in the corner for more insights into the biggest AI funding stories this year. AI is shaping our world, and Humans and AMP might just be the company redefining how we work with it. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's see where this human-first AI revolution takes us.